Hi, Nick again with CFMoto with another video on installation. Today we're going to be installing the heated driver's seat. Tools you'll need for this application is a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, a number 8 Allen wrench, and a box knife. You're going to remove the seat by pulling up on the handle on the rear, sliding backwards, up, and out. Now that we have your seat out of the way, we're going to remove the under seat storage. With your utility knife, you're going to cut out the pre-cut hole under the seat for the button. Next, you're going to fish the connectors through the supplied bracket. And align the switch and mount to the bracket. Secure them down with a screwdriver. Find the white connector from factory, remove the protective cap, and install the new connector. Next, you're going to zip tie this over here so that it does not interfere with the understorage cargo box. And then take your connector and snake it through here for now. We're going to reinstall the underseat storage. Using a flathead screwdriver or pry bar, remove the dash cover. Once you have your LCD dash pulled, you're going to place your hand inside and remove the switch cover. The cable needed is plugged into the connector you just removed. So put in the supplied switch. And install. Next, we're going to reinstall the dash. Starting with the track slid all the way back, you're going to use your number 8 Allen head. Remove the front 2 bolts. Please note that you're going to remove the recessed bolts, not the flush mount. You're going to move the bracket back forward and repeat the steps with the rear. You're going to place the bracket back in the same slot where the original seat was and use the bolts you just took off and reinstall. Now we're going to reinstall the seat. Plug in your connector. Lift the cargo box and snake it back down. Check for proper installation. Operation is simple. You have a switch here. This means off. Middle position is driver only. Bottom position is driver and passenger. To toggle the heat on and off, there's a button conveniently located between your leg. Green is on, red is off. Now that we've had it on for a few moments, I can definitely feel the difference between the passenger seat and the driver, since we have not installed the heated seat here yet. Definitely keep you warm on a nice brisk day when you're out riding. Also, other features available for this model is full cab kits, which we'll get into in later videos. And there you have it for today, the installation of the heated driver's seat on the U600. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And for all your parts and accessory needs, visit CFMoto USAparts.com, operated by Curren RV. Happy riding.